Hey y'all, Rob Treppinall here with Treppinall Landscape. Today we're going to talk about hedges in your flower beds. So boxwoods are very in right now, very popular. We're going to talk about a few alternatives to boxwoods because you might be tired of boxwoods. This is Distilium. Absolutely gorgeous. I planted these a while back. They're not going to look like this right off the bat. This particular variety is called Vintage Jade, one of our favorites. Here's a picture of what it looks like when you first plant it. And then this is what it looks like. You can shape it to look like this. It's a really cool plant, fully evergreen. A lot of our other plants got hammered by the cold. This didn't get phased. It's a really neat plant. You can let it grow wide or whatever. This is about as tall as it gets. This is about 3 feet tall. So really cool plant, really nice texture, and just it's sometimes nice to have a little variety. So behind me, I've got another kind of unusual head. It may look like a typical Japanese yew. It's actually not. This is called a Pringles yew. So this is a dwarf yew. If left unchecked, it'll have kind of a loose look. Here's a picture of it when it's a little younger and untrimmed. And this only gets about 7 or 8 feet tall. They're a little bit wider and kind of looser looking than a traditional Japanese yew, which is usually kept perfectly trimmed, like almost like a giant boxwood. But these are cool. This is a cool alternative. A little thicker, a little airier than a regular Japanese yew. This is a little bit different. They're a little bit more expensive, but they're pretty cool. So Pringles, think about like, you know, once you pop, fun don't stop. Pringles yew. So we have Distilium, Pringles, just some different hedges for you to think about. One more hedge to think about if you want something really big is viburnum. Here's a picture of viburnum. Really cool if you want like privacy between you and your neighbor. Viburnum's a really great one. So just a few unusual hedges to think about as we enter into the spring. Rob Treppinall, Treppinall Landscape.